Hey, commanders. Yazi mina ngizokuba controversial nje kancane ne. Vele ke ngumuntu oyo controversial. Yazi commanders la nje kwipolitiki ne. Nje in politics general ne. Reality of the matter ne. Kwipolitiki ama capital a investe kakhulu ne. And nina ningabantu nje ukuthi nimas you never defeat ama capital ne. In order to defeat ama capital you must find at least icapital elizonlalela enizokwazi uku-influence in order to defeat ama capital. You cannot wake up today and you say when you'll defeat Rupert. Never. Kusho ngaphatha abantu abangakanani. Uzokushaya ngesystem. Uzokushaya ngesystem kakhulu. Ne. In order to defeat laba bantu laba, usuke udinga abantu abane financial muscle abazokwazi ukudefeat Rupert. I can make an example, ne? When Umsholozi wanted Pravin Gordhan out of treasury, ne? Remove and appointed Van Rooyen. Ama capital avuka ama ngenyawo athi azobulala umnotho. Wenza kanjani Umsholozi? Had ukuthi i-decision yakhe ayihlehlisa. Ayihlehlisa i-decision yakhe. Wabuyisela abantu wabuyisa enhlanhlaneni or something sengikhohliwe ne, or wabuyisa yena uPravin ne, but later on waphindwa wamremove wasefaka uGigaba ne. Ama capital comrade umnotho engawisa within a minute, kodwa at the same time now asuke ezoluza ne. So in order ukuthi sihlehlise influence eStellenbosch mafia, we need ama capital a patriotic which will be on our side. Which be on our side. Otherwise sabantu nje comrade ayi. Siyocula size siwe sithi Stellenbosch mafia. Koze kuse. Siyavoteni befike bewarika ama elections. Ne. Befike bewarike, they will fund abantu within us sibe divided senzeni in. Ngeke siwa defeat without imali. Ngeke comrade. Singakhohlisana siyele. I reality nje mina. Ne. Kufanele ukuthi masifuna ukudefeat ama capital, we must mobilize as much as possible if funding enough. Sazi ukuthi uRupert mayethi udonsa uCapet sine alternative. And alternative akuyona imasa. Ngeke kube imasa. Ngeke. Maye udonsa uCapet eWest. Yabona, siyazi ukuthi thina si strong. uPutin yathi maye udonse bathi iEurope maye udonsa uCapet. Waye backing hence umnotho waseRussia ungakazuwe. eSouth Africa sinayo backing. Asinayo. What need to be done? Abantu abasilidayo, they must find an alternative. In reality nje awucabange nje kulwela lento kaRamaphosa engekho lento le Expropriation Act into engekho. Awucabange ke maseshintsha usection 25. What will happen? Sanctions, industries evalwa left, right and center. Asibe ready. And our people must know ukuthi ilanguage esikhulumayo abayazi ukuthi language esikhulumayo ilanguage ama capital angayifuni. For a fact ukuthi there are people who are praising uRupert right now It's a concern. Knowing very well ukuthi uRupert wenzani eSouth Africa. It's a concern. So comrade, ama leaders wethu, our leaders ne iyashesha lento, yaphuthuma impela manje. Yaphuthuma kakhulu. Yaphuthuma. Asibe nealternative emnyango. Sibe neplan yokupture iANC manje. Yokupture iANC manje. We must implement into esifunayo before 2029. It's late. Before 2029 we capture iANC, MK ne EFF right vele. Capture iANC, we implement into esifunayo. USA I donate for South Africa is making profit. And into esifunayo must happen now. Lendaba we waiting for our elections in. No. Our immediate task now is to find ama comrade azongena ANC progressive, and we implement it esifunayo now. And our people must be prepared ukuthi angeke kube mnandi vele. Angeke kube mnandi. Our leaders might be killed, we might be sanctioned, everything. Kodwa asimene entweni yethu. Asimene entweni yethu. But izwe belong to amakhosi in. When they are about to make serious decisions, nobody is representing ama kings. Yabona manje comrade, ngiyakutshela. Wonke umuntu uyayifuna eSouth Africa, and it's up to us. It's up to us. Yabona, we need progressive comrades to lead iANC. And then we'll be able to implement what we want. And we'll implement it, comrade. Relaxan. Into efunakalayo nje ukuthi kufanele ukuthi sibe namasente. Iyona nto efunakalayo. Forget. Uyabona abantu beANC, they know very well ukuthi we need a radical policy shift in order to address izinto ezenzeke ngeapartheid. Otherwise kodwa masena labantu khuleka kuzokuba nzima. iANC is captured and is gone, but asekhona ama comrade progressive within iANC. We can do it, but our people abayilungiselele ukuthi abantu abazoke bedriver bekwi driving seat radical economic transformation might be killed. If anything might happen to them, but ours is to rally behind them. Cannot be, comrade. How? After 30 years of democracy, we still have people living in shacks. Cannot be. Kulate manje, comrade. Kulate. We need a unity in action. Siyayidinga kakhulu. But it's up to you. Either we submit or fight. Mina nje zonqanawe. Ezonqanawe nje. Ngithi we must fight.